To transition from edit to preview or from preview to edit mode, hit Ctrl-Shift Spacebar or click the diagonally cut paper icon next to the zoom tools in the toolbar. Now that button is this one up here. It says Switch Editor/Preview. So you can see here, Ctrl-Shift Space takes us to preview mode, and the information we put in is now down here. Or we can come up here and hit the Switch Editor Preview button to transition back into editor mode. Welcome back to Davos video and our WikidPad reference tutorial. Today we're going to be going over escaping characters. Let's get started. Escaping characters is an extremely useful tool. As you can see here in our alignment section, we can visualize our alignment commands here without them having any effect on the elements of the page. This is extremely useful. As you can see here, we can both test and view the commands that we're using on the page, both in our preview mode and in our editor mode, as seen here. This first section here edits the element of the page, and this segment here allows us to see the code. But how do we do that exactly? To escape single characters, prepend them with a backslash, like this. In order for us to see this in preview mode, I'm going to add a second backslash here. And you can see that we only see the one backslash here. To escape single characters, prepend them with a backslash. These characters are then interpreted as normal text. The backslash is suppressed in HTML preview and export. If you want to really write a backslash, write two of them. In other words, if you want your backslash to appear in the preview mode, you're going to need to use two of the backslashes because the first one will act as a canceling marker. With this, you can write with brackets or with asterisks or with underscores, which are not seen as formatting commands by WikidPad. As you can also see here, WikidPad is a camel case word, which would traditionally turn into a link. However, because we put this backslash here, that does not happen. And the proof of that is the tree on our left, where WikidPad does not appear as a page. Now let's look at this in our preview mode. And you can see that the brackets, the asterisks, and the underscores do not format their elements. The brackets don't turn into a link, the asterisks don't bold the word, and the underscores likewise do not italicize the word. And that's the basics of escaping characters. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.